Hey guys, and here is Leah's rainforest house, and today we will be opening up the accessories that go with it. So let's just get right into the video. So here's what comes in the box. So I'm just going to take out the first thing. So here is the first item that comes in the set, and I really don't know what it's called, but it's super cute, so here it is. Super cute, and the drawers open in this set. And then they just shut. So here's the first item. So here's the next item, and it is just this really cute basket. So here it is, and it even opens. So here it is inside, and it's just really cute, and she can put things inside, which I really like. So here's another box, and it's just a white box. So I'm just going to get it open and show you guys what it comes with. So here's the chair. So here's all the little accessories that come with the set. So here they all are. So here's everything opened. So here's the next bag of items. So let's just get this opened. So here's what comes in the bag. The next item that comes in the box is the hammock. So here's the hammock. The last item that comes in the white box is the table. So I'm just going to get it set up and show you guys what it is. Here's the table all built. So here's the next items that come in this set, and this is two-sided. So we have the two different sides. I will be posting a separate video of the whole entire rainforest house, but the only thing is I am not going to put these in this video, so yeah, I am going to move on to the next item, and this is the last thing I'm going to show you guys today, and it is indeed the bedding, which is so cute because I don't have any bedding for my dolls. So we're just going to get right into the video. All I have is a sleeping bag. So let's just continue with the video. So here's the last item I'm going to be showing you guys, and it is her bedding.